Kraken just launched crypto options, but is it actually worth trading on? I am full-time institutional crypto trader, and in this video I will walk you through the Kraken options, show you how Kraken options exactly works and what you need to know before start trading. So let's go! Kraken today is not the first trading platform where you can trade crypto options. So you could already trade options on Binance Exchange, also on Bybit Exchange, and also so far the leading platform for the cryptocurrency options, Derbit by Coinbase Exchange. And now if you have Kraken account, you can enjoy options trading as well, because options trading gives you as an investor and trader a lot of advantages, because you can take advantage not only from the price movement of Bitcoin or Ethereum, but also from volatility and time. And I will explain you about that very soon. But let's take a look first of all at the main page of Kraken options. So you can define risk rates, hedge your holdings, or trade implied volatility. And options are not that difficult as you might think. So first of all, if you buy options, you have a defined max loss, because you are paying a premium, and that premium is the maximum amount that you could lose, comparing to a perpetuals. Because if you select the wrong margin type, the whole portfolio that you have could be liquidated. But buying the options is a different story, and when you buy the option, you don't have any liquidation. So you pay a premium and you have a right to buy or sell Bitcoin or Ethereum at the set price by a set date. And at this we will take a look very soon, because this is basically the strike price and this is the expiration date. And basically this is most important information that you need to know before start trading the options. Strike price and also the expiry date. So basically how much time do you need to hit that target price. And after that you need to decide, are you bullish, that's the call options, or you're bearish, that's the put options. And if you are not sure about the direction, you could profit from either directions. So basically by buying put and call, so that you need just a big move to be in profit. And as you can see, you don't need a new app, you just need your Kraken login. And you can use your wallet to trade immediately. And let's take a look how it works. So first of all, we need to decide from which direction we would like to profit from up or down. If we would like to profit from the price increase, we have to buy a call option. And if we would like to profit from the price decline, we have to buy a put option. After we decided from which direction we would like to profit from, as I said earlier, we have to decide on strike price or target price and expiry date. So basically how much time do we need that the price will hit our target. And as you can see, we have different expiry dates and also different strike prices. And a bit later I will show you exactly how the option chain looks like, the option prices, and how to read that option chain. But let's come back to the main page. So for now, Kraken offers only requests for quote orders or RFQ orders. So basically you select your expiry date and the strike price that you would like to buy. You select, click the buy button, and you receive the price at which you can trade at. And if you're ready to trade, you confirm, an order will be created for you. And let's take a look at the 5 ways that Kraken offer us to trade options. And the first way is very popular across the institutional investors right now. And this is a hedging strategy. So basically you protect your portfolio from the downside by buying a protection. So what does it mean? For example, let's assume I have 1 BTC and I'm worried that the price of Bitcoin could decline even lower. And I don't want to lose money as Bitcoin price declines. So what I can do, I can buy put option for 1 BTC. And if the price of Bitcoin drops, that's absolutely fine for me, because I have a protection and my dollar value stays the same. But if the price of Bitcoin will increase, I still can benefit from the price increase from my Bitcoin that I have. So basically I don't have a downside risk, but only upside potential. But for that, I have to pay a risk premium. And this is very similar to a home or car insurance. So basically, if something happens with your car or house, you will get money back. Also, as I said earlier, we can benefit from directional view. As you can remember, if I am bullish, I can buy calls, and if I am bearish, I can buy puts. And don't forget the maximum loss that I have, the premium that I pay. And there is no liquidation risk. And as I said, if I'm expecting a high volatility, but I'm not sure in which direction the price will go, I can still benefit from both directions by buying at the same time calls and puts. And as long as the move covers the both premiums, you have a profit. Or for example, on opposite side, you can benefit if nothing happens, and you will get paid for that the price stays unchanged. And for that, you need to sell the options. But with selling the options, you have to be careful. But a lot of institutional players tend to sell the options rather than buy the options. Because when you sell the options, you collect all the premiums from the options buyers. And in this case, by selling the options, you can create a cash flow. And if you would like to create a cash flow from your stable coins and cryptocurrency that you have, you can sell options. And I have step-by-step guide for beginners where I explain exactly 2 important strategies how to sell the options and how to get that all premiums. In that step-by-step guide, I explain exactly how to analyze the market and understand whether it is the right time to sell the options or not, which expiration date to choose for selling the options, short-term options, mid-term options, or maybe long-term options. And of course, I show step-by-step how to choose the strike price. If you would like to learn how to sell the options and receive the cash flow, you can find the link for the guide in the description below. And also you can benefit from the volatility itself. And if you haven't heard about the implied volatility, I have a great video for beginners about implied volatility. And this is very important metric, which every crypto investor and crypto trader has to know, because that can help you a lot with your spot and also perpetual trading. And that video you will find for free on my YouTube channel. So it's very important to know about the implied volatility before you start trading the options. And also Kraken offer us possibility to use all 30 plus cryptocurrencies as a collateral for our crypto options trading. And portfolio margin is set up by the default. And also let's take a look at the other most important information that we need to know about. So the difference between call and put we have already covered. So basically, if I am bullish, I buy a call option. And if I am bearish, I buy a put option. And here is a very important point. If I am bearish, I have to buy put option and not to sell the put option, because selling put option is a different strategy. So if I'm bearish, I have to buy put option. So the options on Kraken are European style options and are cash settled. So that means your profit or loss will be settled in US dollars at the expiry. So there is no physical delivery of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Each option expires at 8 AM UTC time on expiry date. You can use different cryptocurrencies as a collateral, and for now you can trade options for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course you need to check if your region is available for the options trading. And now let's take a look at the option chain and how the real options trading is look like. So here you can see the option chain from Kraken. And don't be worried, the option chain is very easy to read. And by the way, on my channel I have step-by-step guide how to read the option chain, where I exactly in all details explain how to read the option chain. So if you would like to trade options in the right way, it makes sense to watch this video. But generally speaking, we have a different expiration dates. So here we can see, for example, the weekly options, monthly options, and also quarterly options. In the middle of the option chain, we can find all the strike prices. On the left side of the option chain, we can see all the call options. So basically each strike price is a call option. For example, here you can see a call option with a strike price of $70,000. On the right side of the option chain, we can see all put options. And once again, each strike price is a separate put option. For example, here you can see a put option with a strike price of $60,000, $50,000 or $40,000. And each option has its own price. And to trade the option, I have to select the expiry date. After that, I have to decide which option I would like to buy, call or put option. If I would like to buy a call option, I have to take a look at the left side, and if I would like to buy a put option, I have to take a look at the right side. For example, I would like to buy a put option with a strike price of $62,000 to protect my BTC. To do that, I have to click on the strike price, $62,000, and click on it one more time. And then a RFQ window will pop up. Also, you can click on Position Builder and calculate your potential profit. For example, let's select the $62,000 strike price with the expiration date on the 14th of August. So I have to select the strike price, $62,000, select a put option, and I selected a buy button because I would like to buy put option. And then I have select a quantity. So let's assume I would like to buy a put option for 1 BTC. Here you can see the mark price or theoretical price for this put option, which is equal to $126 for 1 BTC. For 0.1 BTC, that price will be equal to $12.60. So basically, you multiply the price with the quantity that you have. In my example, I have 1 BTC, so the mark price is equal to $126. And here you can see a payoff graph. And basically, if the price of Bitcoin will fall, let's say to $58,000, here we go, on expiration date at the 14th of August, I will have a profit of $3,800. And that's my net profit that I can get if the price will drop to $58,000. But for that, I have to pay a premium of $126. And as I said earlier in this video, the premium that I pay is the maximum loss that I can have. So that means I cannot lose more than $126 in that trade. If you would like to learn more about the options trading, you can watch next my video here or here. See you in the next video. Bye.